Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a header in Webflow. First, begin by adding a section element to your Webflow canvas. This acts as the main wrapper for your header. Next, drag a container element inside the section to control the maximum width of your content, typically set to 96% or 1200 pixels. Finally, add a navbar component into the container. This provides a pre-built structure with navigation links and a brand element, saving you valuable time. Now, let's personalize your header. Replace the default brand link with your company logo or website title, ensuring it links to your homepage. You can easily add or remove navigation links to match your site structure, perhaps including About Us and Contact. Then, dive into the Style panel to adjust background colors, padding, and typography. Consider a subtle box shadow for depth, using a blur of 10 pixels and a distance of 2 pixels. Making your header look great on all devices is crucial. Webflow offers 5 distinct breakpoints, allowing you to tailor your design for desktops, tablets, and various mobile screens. For smaller views, you might hide certain elements or adjust their stacking order. Crucially, ensure your hamburger menu icon is visible and fully functional on mobile, providing a smooth user experience with a clear open and close animation. To finalize your header, remember a few best practices. Aim for a concise header, ideally under 100 pixels in height, to maximize screen real estate for your main content. Use clear, descriptive navigation labels so users can easily understand where each link leads. Finally, rigorously test your header across various browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Safari, and on different devices to guarantee a consistent and flawless user experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.